Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today I have tomatoes and cheese and bread and salt and garlic peppers, and this is some big meat, and then
we have some mayo spread
and
spicy
bacon.
mayo.
That's all.
So first we're gonna put some salt on the
meat.
Salt, pepper, and garlic.
We're making a burger.
And in the meantime, you have your smear prepared. So you just have some butter, good quality butter, and good quality meat too. It's very important. We have some good tomatoes. I love those tomatoes. This is gonna be so good. So we're gonna seal the meat first and then put it in the oven to finish cooking. Now I'm cooking the bacon, and I'm gonna use that bacon fat to seal the steak. Smells so good. Oh my god, bacon is just always make sure you get good quality bacon. It makes a big difference. Now this is smoky hot, and I'm gonna add the ground beef burger. And I'm gonna add the rest of the dry spices. This is a very good quality salt here that I'm using. So when you start noticing those little cracking redness, the juice coming out, you're gonna flip it. I like it medium, so this is perfect. Alright, so while I had the steak in there, I put the buns, and now we can start putting everything together. You just need to warm it up for just, if you have like good quality buns like this, you just warm it up for a few minutes, and then they're ready to go. Oh, and this stuff is so juicy. We're gonna put the smear first, and now you can come help me.
Naya, we need help.
Put it on yours.
On this one, adding the spread on the bun. This one already has it with the bacon. And then we're gonna put some cheese.
Do I want to have some?
Come on, come on. And we're adding the
Burger. Can we put some on it?
You can add some onions if you want.
Can I put some of this on it?
No, Mama, this one. Put the smell on this one. Now we're gonna add some tomatoes.
This is Daddy's. That's yours.
And then we just cover it up. Yum, yum, yum. Take a bite of this goodness. So juicy.
Can I taste?
Really good.
Can I
Great
taste mine?
flavor.
Can I taste mine?
Sure.
Where's the
so good.
top?
Et voila, guys.